Welcome back to Top 5 Tray. Today we're reviewing the Attack Shark X3, a lightweight wireless gaming mouse that's been getting a lot of attention online. But remember, all the products featured in this video will be linked down in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out if you're interested. It promises high-end features like a top-tier sensor, multiple connection options, and long battery life, all at a very affordable price. Let's break it down and see if it's actually worth it. Let's start with the design. The Attack Shark X3 is extremely light, weighing just 49 grams. This makes it perfect for fast-paced games that require quick flicks, sharp turns, and accurate movements. The lighter weight also reduces hand fatigue during long gaming sessions, which is a huge plus for anyone who plays for hours at a time. The mouse features a symmetrical design, making it comfortable for both left and right-handed users. It works well with both claw and fingertip grips. The buttons are positioned comfortably and the shape fits well in the hand, though you might notice it feels slightly back-heavy due to the placement of the battery. The build quality is solid, the mouse shell doesn't feel cheap, and there's no noticeable flex or creaking. The mouse is available in several colors, including black, white, and purple, so you can pick one that suits your setup. Moving on to performance, the Attack Shark X3 comes equipped with the PixArt Paw 3395 sensor, which is known for its high accuracy and fast response times. The sensor supports up to 26,000 DPI, and the DPI settings can be adjusted on the fly, so you have full control over your sensitivity during gameplay. In terms of actual performance, I tested this mouse with different games. In all cases, the mouse delivered excellent tracking with no noticeable lag or jitter, even during fast movements. The mouse performed flawlessly in high-speed situations, and the response time was consistent throughout the games. Whether you're playing a fast-paced FPS or a more strategic game, the tracking remains sharp and your movements feel natural. The 1000 Hz polling rate ensures that your actions are transmitted quickly to your computer, making this mouse suitable for even the most competitive gamers. Battery life is another strong point. On 2.4 GHz wireless mode, you can expect around 10 to 12 days of battery on a single charge. Charging is done through a USB-C cable, and you can keep using it while it charges, so there's no downtime. This mouse supports 3 connection types: 2.4 GHz wireless, which is best for gaming, Bluetooth, which is great for laptops and travel, and USB-C wired mode. Switching between them is simple with a button on the bottom of the mouse. The software lets you change DPI settings, rebind buttons, and set macros. It's not the most advanced software out there, but it gets the job done. However, some settings might feel limited if you're used to more premium software from brands like Razer or Logitech. Of course, no product is perfect. Some users have reported double-clicking issues after using the mouse for a few weeks. This isn't a widespread issue, but it's something to keep in mind if you're considering this mouse. If you experience this, it might be worth reaching out to customer support or considering a warranty claim. Another small downside is the placement of the DPI button. It's located underneath the mouse, which can be a bit inconvenient if you need to adjust your DPI settings during a game. Having the DPI button more accessible would have been a nice touch, especially for competitive gamers who need to adjust their sensitivity quickly. This mouse is a smart pick. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, you deserve the best and nothing less. So be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Trust me, out of your top 5 best decisions, this is definitely gonna be one of them. Thanks for watching. I hope this review helped you make an informed decision. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, peace out.